Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's class. In today's class, we will be looking at this algebraic simplification. This is grade 11th class. We have this question here. It says, simplify c squared minus 2cd plus d squared all over c squared minus cd. So this question wants you to reduce it to its lowest term. Okay, so in order for us to do that, we are going to factorize the numerator and also factorize what? The denominator. Okay, good. So when we talk about factorization, factorization simply means writing an expression as product of its factors. That is called factorization. Good. Now let us factorize this numerator. So your solution, we are going to factorize numerator. How do we do that? In that our numerator, we have c squared minus 2cd plus d squared. Okay, so what to do? The first step is to multiply this with it. What is the coefficient here? The coefficient here is what? 1. So the c d squared, d c squared, and this multiplies. So we are going to have your c squared d squared. Good. So the first thing you need to look at now, the next thing is to look for the sum. This one is called the sum. Okay, this is the sum. We are going to look for two factors that will multiply to give us positive product. This is the product, which is c squared d squared. Then when you add up the two factors, it's going to give you negative 2. Okay, so in that case, I want you to understand that whenever the product is positive, so the two factors must be negative. So that is certain. So which means the two factors of this now that will give us this negative 2 is what? Minus cd and minus cd. Good. So in that case, we are going to use this minus cd to replace this minus 2cd here. Then we factor it out. Let's go. Let's replace it now. So which means I have a c squared minus cd minus cd, then plus d squared all over. Okay, good. Now let's go to this here. We are going to have c squared minus cd. Now let us factor out. Let's factor this now. Let's take the first two terms here. What is common here? C is common. So we'll take out the c, which means we are going to have c outside the bracket. Now, divided by this, you're going to give us c minus, take the c away from here, you're going to have d. Good. Now, let us look at this one. What is common here is d. This is d. Then, we are going to have minus, then take d outside. Then, if you d leaves here, you're going to have c. Then, this, because of this negative sign here, go to affect this side of the bracket, it's going to give us minus d. Minus d. Then, all over. Let's get to this. What is common here is c. Take one of the c out. You take one of the c out. Then divide by this. You take the main c minus this c is out. Then you have d. Good. Now, if you notice, whenever we are factorizing, what we have in the bracket must be the same. C minus d, c minus d. So in that case, you take this one outside here. Take the next one, which means we have c minus d. Then c minus d all over here, we have c equals c minus d. So one of the factors, look at this, and this is common, so we just cancel out. So your final answer becomes c minus d all over c. So this is your answer. If you find this class very interesting, please help us to share this video and do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Physics and Mathematics Lovers. To do so, God will bless you. Bye.